Hello world! What a great views and weather! Known for its sensational landscape, stylish cities, and world-famous ski resorts, Switzerland is an attractive year-round destination. Each season brings its unique charm and activities, making it essential to choose the best time to visit based on your interest. Spring is a great time of the year to travel and the perfect time to visit Switzerland. Full of renewed life and vigor, landscape come to life as the snow melts away from the lowlands. You will still enjoy a picture-perfect snowscape backdrop to your travels. Spring is the ideal for hiking as trails become accessible and dotted with wildflowers. Spring is also considered the best time to visit Switzerland. Grand cities including Zurich, Lucerne, and Geneva with more favorable prices and fewer tourists. For all who are planning for vacation, Switzerland is one of the best places to visit. So guys, don't forget to put it on your bucket list. Beautiful day to all. Happy Easter Sunday. Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you.